Tout le monde, bonjour, bonjour. This is the French Master GH. In this video, we are going to learn how to teach the new French curriculum for basic schools. That is from class 4 to class 6. It has become very necessary for the government of Ghana to introduce a new curriculum just to adjust to the new changes in the world. The new French curriculum for basic schools seeks to develop 4 main skills of the learner or the pupils in our basic schools. These are compréhension orale, compréhension écrite, production orale, and production écrite. It also lays emphasis on the 4 R's, that is writing, reading, arithmetic, and creativity. This new curriculum is structured or organized into strands, sub-strands, content standards, indicators, and examples. Strands are the broad areas or the sections or units of study under the subjects. And the sub-strands are the topics, the various topics under the strands to be studied. That is the topics you are going to teach in the classroom. Content standards are the various core skills that the learners are going to acquire at the end of the lesson or at the end of each phase of the course or at the end of the curriculum. Those are the core skills that the learners are going to acquire. And the indicators are the objectives that the teacher intends to attain at the end of the lesson. And the exemplar, our exemplars are the main learning activities that are going to be undertaken by the teacher and the learners in the classroom during the teaching and learning process. So that is the activities you are going to do in the classroom in order to attain or to achieve the set indicators. So that is what you call the exemplar. To be able to achieve the set indicators for any topic or each topic in the new curriculum, the French teacher must focus his or her activities, or those are the exemplars, on the 4 competencies in French. That is compréhension orale, compréhension écrite, production orale, and production écrite. To be able to help your students acquire the skill of or the competence of compréhension orale, the teacher must be able to play an audio or a video for the students to watch or listen to in order to understand things based on the topic. For instance, if I'm to teach the lesson how to greet or savoir saluer et prendre congé in French, I should be able to play an audio or a video for the student to watch or listen to how 2 people greet, comment se saluer or comment saluer, how 2 people greet, and then how to say au revoir and those things in French. To help the students acquire the competence of compréhension écrite, the teacher must be able to show some pictures communicating something relating to the topic, or allow them to read dialogues or texts or passages based on the topic. With that, they will acquire the skill or competence of compréhension écrite. For instance, if I'm supposed to still teach on the topic savoir saluer et prendre congé, in this case, you as the French teacher, you have to show some pictures, text, or dessin, text, which portrays things that contain the topic, that is savoir saluer. Example, like 2 a dessin containing two people that are greeting. Salut, bonjour, bonjour, comment ça va? A dialogue or a passage that contains something like that. Thank you very much for watching this video. Merci beaucoup. In my next video, I'll start teaching the various topics in the new French curriculum from Basic 4 to Basic 6. I'll teach them lesson by lesson, so it will be a full course. And at the end of all these videos, you have a grouped or powered course that you can download online, both on my website and on my channel, on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel for more videos, and kindly visit my website, thefrenchmastergh.com, where I publish various lessons, videos, teaching guides, and any document relevant to the teaching and learning of French. Merci beaucoup. Merci.